Let's make chicken fricassee. First, pat dry a chicken with paper towel on both sides. Season with salt and pepper on both sides. Next, melt butter in a skillet. Then add chicken pieces. We are using drumsticks and chicken thighs. Cook until golden color. Flip on the other side and next remove the chicken and add onion. Cook until golden color. After, add flour and white wine. Stir everything up, then add slowly chicken broth and whisk everything up. After, add mushrooms, carrots, celery, and thyme. Stir that in, add chicken pieces back into the skillet, cover and simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Next, add heavy whipping cream and mix that in. And sprinkle some thyme over the top. Season with salt and pepper if needed, and voila, the dinner is ready. It is absolutely delicious. Serve with mashed potatoes. See you next time. Bye.